Hey guys, welcome back to Mumsworld. I hope you all had an amazing week. There's a saying that giving birth should be a woman's greatest achievement and not her biggest fear. When you bring a new life into this world, there will be huge changes in your life. In fact, your entire routine will change. Having a baby is exciting, challenging, and for some, it can also add some mild stresses to their life. And this is a very natural thing. This kind of stress is also known as baby blues and it vanishes in few days or within a week. You may feel extremely emotional, cry for no reason, find it hard to sleep, loss of appetite and sometimes even depressed. This usually happens with most women after childbirth because your body goes through a lot of hormonal changes. If you're going through this kind of stress, then don't worry, these are very mild and it won't stop you from leading a normal life. But if it does not go away after 2 weeks and continues for longer, then you need to call your doctor to seek immediate help. This is something known as postpartum depression, which is more severe and intense. I won't go deep into this topic in today's video, but it's very important for you to know when to seek help. How to know if you have postpartum depression? Here are some of the symptoms. Severe mood swings and excessive crying, finding it hard to accept the baby, difficulty in sleeping or sleeping too much, loss of energy and feeling restless, loss of interest in life, thoughts of harming the baby and yourself, regret over becoming a mom, don't feel like breastfeeding the baby and bonding with the baby, and so on. To help you out, I will be sharing some simple tips to deal with stress after childbirth. Stop thinking or worrying too much. Once you have a baby, you have millions of questions running in your head, especially if it's a newborn. You're always worried when your baby cries too much or if your baby does not sleep enough. And when it comes to breastfeeding, you're always concerned whether your baby is getting enough milk. Just remember that worrying is not at all the solution. It will only affect your health. After birth for a baby, it's an entire new world. It will take time for the baby to adapt to the life outside the womb and for the new mom to get adjusted to these changes. When you go to a new workplace, you take time to mingle with the people and get adjusted to the environment. This is exactly the same, so you need not worry at all. Just enjoy this phase and be confident about yourself. Babies cry to communicate their needs, so it's best that you respond to their signals rather than worrying about it. Despite all your swaddling and singing, if your baby still continues to cry for longer, then call your doctor immediately. There could be a physical cause. Sleep or take a nap whenever possible. Lack of sleep is one of the major reasons for stress. If your little one is keeping you up all night, then try to sleep when he's napping. If you find it hard to sleep during the day, turn on some light music, shut all the curtains to get that night feeling and relax. Your body needs enough sleep to rebound. Avoid all kinds of distraction like your phone, your laptop, watching TV. Forget all the work that you have and take rest. Don't compare your baby with other babies. For example, your friends or relatives' baby might be having a different sleeping pattern. Some baby may sleep through the night and some baby might have reached his or her milestone before your baby. Worrying about all these things will only give you stress. Every baby is different. If your baby is happy and healthy, then you need not worry at all. Don't compare yourself with other moms. Even though we think we are pretty good at motherhood, we always compare ourselves with other moms who are better than us at handling everything. It's normal for you to feel that you could do better. But remember one thing, motherhood is not a competition. We all want the best for our babies and it's okay if you can't get it right all the time. You're a new mom with a new baby, so it will take time for things to get right. In the meantime, just do your best. Give some time to yourself. After a baby, you become so busy that you forget to think about yourself. Take some time off to go out and get some fresh air. Set aside time each day to relax with a book or listen to music or watch a favorite movie. Even if it's for a few minutes, spare some time and engage yourself in doing things you love to do the most. Don't read too many books on baby care or parenting. It's okay to read books on parenting and childcare, but gathering too much of information will always confuse you. There is no right approach to parenting. Just observe your child and respond to their needs. Follow your instincts and eventually you will get it right. Stay hydrated. Staying well hydrated can keep your stress levels down. Whereas when you don't give your body enough fluids, you're putting stress on it and your body will respond to that. Also, nutrition plays a very important role when you're stressed. So make sure that you eat healthy. Because what you eat will have an impact on your mood as well as the quality of your breast milk. Along with this, do some breathing and mild exercises to relax your mind. It's okay to take help. Sometimes handling everything all alone can be stressful. In such cases, don't hesitate to take help. Having someone to help you out makes the adjustment to a new baby easier. You will also have enough time to take care of yourself, the baby, and also bond with the baby. When stressed out, always remind yourself that this too shall pass. If you're finding it really hard to cope with it, talk to someone. Don't be afraid to call your doctor for additional support. Remember, you're not alone. If you liked today's video, do not forget to like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications. For tips on how to handle stress during pregnancy, please do watch my video. You can find the link in the description below. So I'll see you next week with a new video. Until then, take care. Thank you for watching.